today's theme is centered around the word hard.
Today's theme, hard work, is spelled as H-A-O-R-K. Amazing!
Did you know that ants are the ultimate hard workers? If ants had resumes, they'd all say, work well under pressure. Like, all the time.
Okafo is a boxing champion, and Skinny Kalu has decided to challenge him in a boxing match.
Today's African proverb says, a roaring lion kills no game.
A roaring lion kills no game. A roaring lion kills no game. It means you can't achieve or gain by merely sitting all day.
By putting in effort and not giving up, you can accomplish anything that you put your heart to.
I hope you enjoyed the ride as much as I did.